Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to backup chats in WhatsApp. Let's get started. First thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your iPhone. Once the WhatsApp app is opened, click on the bottom right settings option. After this, click on Chats Backup. You can also add Auto Backup by clicking on the Auto Backup button. After this, you can select after how much time you want to auto backup. You can also include the videos, but it will increase the storage too much. After this, click on the Backup Now button and the backup process will be started. And that's how you backup chats as WhatsApp and iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.